Infertility is such a part, and I got the chance to go to other branches and practice independently also with some support systems.
Hi, I'm Dr. Astha from Delhi IVF and Fertility Center. Today we have with us Dr. Anushri. She's from Bangalore and she has just completed her 6-month fellowship in advanced ART and IVF from here at Delhi IVF and Fertility Center. So she'd like to share a few words.
Hello, myself Anushri, and I finished just now the 6 months fellowship in advanced IVF infertility. It has been a great experience being here for the last 6 months, where I could see, learn, and even practice things. And here the faculties are Dr. Anubhuta sir, Dr. Astha ma'am, Dr. Alka ma'am, Dr. Vinny ma'am, Dr. Manan sir, all have been a great support in going through this phase of last 6 months, where I could get all the possible knowledge, and even the patients have been of great help in learning whatever I could in this last 6 months. So I'm very thankful to this entire team for making this a great success. So I would recommend everyone to come join here and then learn whatever you could through this fellowship. Thank you.
So what do you think are the is the edge over here, because it's a very old center, so many years, 30 plus years old, and the patient load is good. So what do you think is the edge, the advantage that you felt as a fellow, that you felt here that you might not get in other places?
Actually, I found this place with this history only of since last 30 years. They've been very successful in whole North India with many branches outside Delhi also. And I got the chance to go to other branches and practice independently also with some support systems. Yes, ma'am. Like, it has been very great experience here.
Do you think all the topics were covered extensively in terms of especially practical? Of course, theory, yes, but practical is very important at this stage of a medical life now. So do you think that was covered well, and what would you want to say about that?
Yes, ma'am. Many patient who comes here are many previously very 1 or 2 failed IVF cycles only. So we could know what went wrong in those cycles, and then where we can tackle things. And those people came up with positive results also. And then there are many complicated cases also, like to tell thin endometrium, ovarian insufficiency. Even donor programs happens here, and even the advanced and research stage things like stem cell therapy, PRP, even lit therapy. So all the possible access and exposure is there here. So I felt that was good enough for me to take back the knowledge over here.
Okay. And what do you think about the operative, especially the endoscopic part? Did you get enough exposure there? Did you see different kind of cases, different kind of sizes of different fibroids? I mean, what do you think? What do you think about?
Yes, mommy. Every day there used to be OT cases, and half of the day, initially we used to feel we are not going to OT, all that. But at the end of the courses, we feel like half of the day is going in OT only, but we could learn many things from that. Through ultrasound, we see something, and intraoperatively we see something else, and how to tackle those things, and what care to give for what type of patients, and then when to do hysteroscopy, when not to do the surgeries. So I could learn most of the things. So yeah, it was good.
So you think patient focus, you could learn individualized, customized treatment for them?
Individualized care as we give for even the infertility part, and even other services were also available, and even the pregnancy care and the counseling to the patients part, where they go weak with this kind of problems like infertility. So it was
great. It was great to have you, Dr. Anushri, and she was a very, seeking fellow, very knowledgeable. And now she is, do you feel confident to go back and start your own unit?
definitely.
She's going to go back to Bangalore, start her own unit. So what is what do you feel that confidence? Do you feel that when you came 6 months ago to now, what is the difference that you feel?
It's definitely, infertility is such a part. Now it's a blooming subject, and during our post-graduations, we could only see, okay, there is something called agonist antagonist cycles in textbooks only over the theory, but we never had exposure even in medical colleges most of the times. So I came all the way from north here to learn this. Sorry, from south here
To not
to north to learn this, and I'm satisfied with whatever I've learned. So I'm planning to go back and start my own thing. And if at all, I hope I'll always have this back
Yes, of course. You can always call us for anything. Lovely. Okay. Many congratulations and for finishing this fellowship, and all the best for your journey in the future.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Great.